It looks like it rides way better now.
Sounds way better. It's riding good, man. You might get fun. Alright guys, welcome back. It's another Carbon Builds, and we got another treat for you guys. We got another X18 pocket bike. Now you know, watching this channel, I already have one pocket bike, another X18 that I painted black. We still have that bike, but the motor did take crap, so I ended up throwing it away. So we're gonna do a whole nother build to that bike. But I seen this on Facebook Marketplace and I had to have it. As you know, if you're watching this channel, you know these things are hard to find. So when I seen it for $600, I had to pick it up. Now when I did buy it, it was running, but it lasted maybe like 2 weeks and then it stopped running. So we're gonna go ahead and rebuild this bike, restore it, get it all nice and shiny. But I want to take you guys with me through the process. Now, we already changed some stuff on the bike. We got a new CDI, new stator, new ignition coil, a new wire harness.
New keys.
Regular.
Yeah.
So it's already installed on the bike, but we haven't started it. We're gonna try to start it today. I wanted to get the reaction, but we're hoping that was fixed the issue, because there's a lot of stuff that we tested that wasn't getting power. So we just decided to just change the wire harness. Good thing, the parts for this bike are very cheap. You know, 20 bucks here, 30 bucks here, so it wasn't a big issue to just change out all those things. Now we did got some new parts that we didn't install that I do got here, like brakes, a new carburetor, throttle cable, just a few goodies that we're gonna try to install today. But in this video right now, we're just hoping that it start, show you guys the ride, and then from here we go down to the tear down and slowly start taking this thing apart so we can get it mint condition for this channel.
Fully
so
customized.
Let's just show you guys the bike. As you can see, it's a 2006 X18. Now, as you know, if you can find these bikes with the plastic, it's always good to grab. Even if it don't got the plastic, I would grab it, me, personally, because I love these bikes. But I found one with the plastic, so I had to have it. The brakes, obviously, you know, these are shop, and they do not make, you can't buy brakes for this bike. You will have to buy some aftermarket brakes and kind of like rig it up yourself, which we plan on doing. We bought brakes.
You might as well, so every part is discontinued for this bike.
Yeah, every part is, you can't buy it. So
you can't buy anything for this bike.
We do got some brakes. We're gonna try to, you know, mount our own mounting system so it will work. And there's some nice looking brakes, so that's coming as well. We don't have the rear plastics. Really sad about that, but like I said, I still got my X18 pocket bike. I'm hoping that I could just get that 3D printed and we could add a rear pocket bike cover, wheel cover, so we could have, you know, this thing close to as original as possible.
Fully uniform.
Pipe is good. Probably just need to be, you know, shaved down, polished and stuff. The plastic got a lot of, if you come look, a lot of cracks. This is loose.
A lot of dings and cracks.
They screwed a screw nail here, I guess, to hold it down. We're gonna fix that.
The light, because that light is not.
Oh, what's for the light? The light back here.
It's not OEM.
It's rigged up terribly. But like I said, we want to show you this so you can see where it's starting and then where it's going. We got another crack here. We're gonna have to repair that. Now we did buy a plastic repair kit, a welding kit, so we're gonna be re-welding all the plastics back and trying to just repair everything to get it as perfect as possible, because you can't buy plastics for these things. So if we can, you know, fix it ourselves, we're gonna try to do that. What else? Like I said, the throttle. If you want to look at the gauge, it still got its own original gauge. I don't know if it works, but
It works.
Okay, it does work. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that, add something more modern in the future. But just to let you know, it got this gauge, got this key. But like I said, we changed the wire harness, so we do got another key. All the wires are, everywhere right now. But once we get everything running and we making sure everything is running good, then we're gonna, wire everything correctly, remove the old wire harness, and just make it clean. So obviously it needs some new levers. If you want to come on this side now, the plastic is off on this side, exposing, but we do have the original plastic, and it's got a large missing chunk. So you're probably gonna have to like smooth this out and make it look,
like
as normal as possible. But like I said, if you could find it with the plastic, you're not gonna find it in mint condition. Yeah. But at least we have it. And as you can see right here, new CDI boxes right here. I'm sorry, the rectifier. I don't know if the CDI boxes right here. Like I said, new ignition coils. So you can see it's a new wire harness in there. A new switches compared to the old one. That's bad. So a bike being this old, you gotta just change out as much as you can. We want this bike to be starting up on the dime, and we don't want no issues. Are we upgrading the engine one day? Maybe, most likely. I'm pretty sure this engine has lost a lot of power, maybe lost compression. So just to ride it for fun for a couple of weeks, maybe a month or two. But eventually, we do plan on adding a bigger motor and having something more reliable, so this thing can always start up and we have fun with it. All right, down. And as you can see, the front is at least it's in pretty good shape. There's no large cracks in it. Now the only thing is the headlight is not attached. Like I'm not gonna pop it now, but it would fall in. But at least it's in pretty good condition. Yeah,
the plastic weld is gonna fix that.
A crack right here, but nothing major. Like we said, you're not gonna find these bikes perfect, but I am extremely happy to have this, even in this condition, because I know what it's gonna look like once we done. We got sanders, like I said, plastic welders. We're gonna paint it. We're gonna send the frame to go get powder coated. All the bolts. We're gonna go ahead and get those changed or polished.
The ones we can't replace.
Look amazing. So I'm happy.
Maybe nickel plated.
We're gonna have a lot of fun with this bike, guys.
I'm not sure what we're gonna do about the front fork though.
Yeah, the front forks.
Because we could probably try to get them powder coated, but they might not be able to put seals in it because I don't know if they're gonna find seals that could fit for that.
And if we gotta change them, we change them. So whatever we do, I mean, if you love these bikes, these bikes are extremely easy to modify. You just might need a little tweaking here and there, but we can definitely get this bike to a very nice condition. So now we're gonna go ahead and try to start it. Like I said, we changed the wire harness. We're hoping that was the main issue. And we're gonna take it for a ride.
I kind of explained to them what was the issue in the previous video. So if you watched the video before, you should know exactly what was the issue.
So,
and we'll see if it starts up and runs on, because the video I was using starter fluid. So we're gonna use regular fluid in the gas tank and see if the carburetor sucks it up and keeps it running.
And if it starts up, we're gonna take a ride today. And like I said, it don't got brakes, so we're not gonna be trying to beat it up. We just want to take it for a little spin, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and try to install hopefully it runs, and then after that we could go ahead and change out the carburetor. We bought another one, and all just the little goodies that I have.
Yeah.
Throttle cable, but eventually, once we see it's running, everything's coming apart. I'm taking the plastics off, and we're gonna, like I said, separate everything to get them ready to be shipped out and polished and powder coated, so we have a nice clean bike.
Yep.
So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get it started now.
Make sure you guys watch this build series, man, because this is gonna be a very, very sick, crazy build series, man. This is gonna be a crazy build, man.
And another thing, we do got an R32. This is not the only super pocket bike I picked up. I was able to actually find an R32 pocket bike, which I had that was my first super pocket bike as a kid. So when I seen it, had to grab that. That one again wasn't running. Got it for like, I think $400 or $500. So I'm gonna show you guys that, but I got all the plastics, so I'm really happy about that one as well. I got all the plastics for that bike, so we're gonna be restoring that bike as well. So in total, 3 super pocket bikes I have. So I'm gonna restore all of them. Like I said, I want them to be looking nice and able to start up whenever I want. And as you can see, I'm not a huge guy, and I still would ride these for fun. And I want to just be the only kid in the neighborhood. Not kid, I'm a grown man.
Yeah.
As you can see, it makes me feel like a kid. So,
Yep. It bring back your innocence.
Back my memories, man. And
Yep.
I want to just be able to ride these things and break necks like they always doing ever since, 20 years ago. You know what I'm saying? 15 years ago.
And this is not the only builds we got. We got a lot more builds to come, guys. A lot of stuff under our sleeves that we have not told you guys about. That's just gonna be sick, man. So stay tuned to Carbon Builds, okay?
Carbon Build, let's get it started, hopefully. Let's see. And let's get to it.
finally done. Let's go ahead and see if this new carburetor is gonna help. I'm gonna choke it first, and then we'll start it the regular way. Alright, let's see it without the choke.
Put the choke up a little bit.